Intel Aero Lake CPUs are 100 watt less power hungry, strong performance, uplifts and no instability issues. The Raptor Lake microcode fix doesn't affect overclock or performance, as Intel says that its Raptor Lake CPU microcode BIOS update will not affect overclocking and performance. Aero Lake Core Ultra 200 CPUs to offer strong performance and lower power consumption. Intel has also provided an update on its consumer desktop CPU family during an event in China which covers both Raptor Lake and Aero Lake CPUs. Intel first highlights how it is addressing the instability issue affecting its 14 and 13 Gen Raptor Lake CPUs. The company has already announced a microcode BIOS update that will resolve the issue of elevated voltages, not the root cause, and will also be extending the warranty for a range of 13 and 14 Gen CPUs by 2 years. Highlighting the changes in its microcode BIOS update, the company states that the new patch won't affect turbo frequency operation and the CPU will still be able to boost to their listed specs. Overclocking functionality will also remain the same and the overall performance should be close to Intel's baseline performance tests. We have seen that the Intel baseline profile can affect performance by up to 15% in games, but mostly average out close to 5% depending on the application. Following is what Intel states in its slide performance guarantee. The updated patch will not affect the turbo frequency capability and retain the K series overclocking function. Extended warranty users of 13 and 14 Gen 15K, KF and above processor will receive Intel back 2-year extended warranty. But Intel didn't finish the talk at its Raptor Lake lineup but continued to offer a teaser of its next-gen Aero Lake Core Ultra 200 desktop CPUs. The company didn't showcase any CPU performance figures yet, but it did state the performance will be very strong on Aero Lake and the chips will also consume at least 100 watt less power. That's good news, which is great news, as the Raptor Lake CPUs are some of the most power hungry chips ever produced for the consumer segment, shipping around 300 watt of power. This additional power and the imbalanced voltages led to users being affected by instability issue. This is also the reason why several 13 and 14 Gen CPUs are now permanently degraded, with only solution being replace them through an RMA process. On the topic of instability, Intel also stated that the new process will eliminate all voltage issue and the frequency will remain high. We have seen up to 5.7 GHz rumor for the flagship Core Ultra 9 285K. The company also reported guaranteed stability with Aero Lake, which makes it sound like Aero Lake will have none of the flaw of the prior 13 and 14 Gen chips. Back at the Computex 2024, we also heard similar whisper about Intel Aero Lake desktop CPUs being less power hungry, and with the launch reportedly planned for October 2024, it looks like Intel will have to deliver a promise to guarantee trust from its customers, which have been affected a lot due to all the instability issue. And these are some Intel Aero Lake S desktop lineup. As you can see here, Core Ultra 9, Core Ultra 7 and Core Ultra 5 at the top of the line, and they also, I think they all have same line curve and SkyMount architecture, with the top one 2024, and the cores are for Core Ultra 9 is 24 core 24 thread, 5.7 P core boost and 5.5 on all core, and e-core boost is 4.6 with 36 MB of cache and TDP of 125 watt. And Core Ultra 7 is 20 cores 20 thread CPU with P-core 5.5 and 5.2 GHz on all core and 4.6 on e-boost with 33 MB of cache and also 125 watt. And if we talk about Core Ultra 5 245K, its Core Ultra 5 have 14 core and 14 threads with P-core boost of 5.0 and all core 5.2, e-core boost up to 4.6 and cache of 24 MB, also 125 watts.